So this is our new topic. Basically, it's not a new topic. It's just a part of the speed, time, and distance. So we have already done some question related to the trend, but in this class we are especially going to solve the some problems which is related to trend. And by using the same logics and formulas, you can easily solve the problems which are going to do in this class. The first question is, a train traveling at a speed of 36 kilometer. Good evening. Okay, firstly, we have already formula, that is STD formula. The formula is ST is equals to D. Now, the S is the speed and T means the time duration or time interval, and D is the distance. But in some cases, we have to modify this formula, like ST is equals to L, and basically L is the length. So if you want to find out the length of the train, then you just use this formula, ST is equals to L, that is length, or it will be distance. Suppose this is the first problem. A train traveling at a speed of 36 km per hour can pass or can cross a standing person in 8 seconds. Then the length of train is. So basically we have to find out the length of train. So this is the first type of question. So to find out the length of train, ST is equals to L. We have to use the formula ST is equals to L, and where L is the length of train. Now, what is the speed of train which is 36 km per hour, and the time duration is the 8 second. Okay, and we have to find out the length of the train. The options are available in the form of the meter. So just convert the kilometer per hour into the meter per second. Okay, so 36 kilometer per hour, 36 kilometer per hour, just multiply 5 divided by 18 and it will be converted into the meter per second. So 36 into 5 divided by 18. So 18 1 and 2 it will be 10 meter per second. Now you just put down the 10 meter per second, which is the speed, and time is the 8 second. So what will be the length? So basically length will be 80 meters. 80 meters is the length of train. So option D is the correct answer in this case. Okay, so what is logic? Basically the 80 meter, the length of train is the 80 meter, and the person standing in any position which the speed of train is the 10 meter per second. So the train will be crosses this person in the 8 seconds. Okay. Now the second question is, a train traveling at a speed of 45 km per hour. Okay, takes 10 seconds to pass through a place. The length of train is. Again, this is similar kind of question. We have to find out the total length of the train, which is the basically distance formula. So it will be L is equals to S into T. Now speed of train is the 45 km per hour, and it will cross the any place in 10 seconds. Okay, so the options are available again in the meter. So again we have to convert into the kilometer per hour into meter per second. So 45 into 5 divided by 18. Okay. So 9 2 and 9 5 it will be 10 divided by 2, 25 divided by 2. Okay, meter per second. So just put down 25 divided by 2 meter per second into 10 seconds. So 2 1 and 5, it will be 125 meters. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. Question number 3 is, a train 250 meter long crosses a a 250 meters long a train crosses a pole in 12 seconds, what is the speed of the train in kilometer per hour? So basically हमारे पास कोई एक train है, the length of train is the 250 meters, which can cross the pole in 12 seconds. So we have to find out the total speed of the train in kilometer per hour. Okay. So again we have to use AST is equals to L. Now in this time we have to find out the AS, that is AS is equals to L divided by T. Now what is the length of the train? That is 250 meter, and divided by in how many seconds it crosses the pole, which is 12 seconds. So 12 seconds, and it will be goes in the form of meter per second. So 250 divided by 12, and it will be converted into the kilometer per hour. So just multiply the meter per second. So meter per second into 18 divided by 5, and it will goes to kilometer per hour. Okay, so 250 divided by 12 into 18 divided by 5. So 5 1 ja, 5 5 ja, and 0, and 6 2 ja, 6 3 ja, and 2, and 25. So 25 into 3 is the 75 kilometer per hour is the speed of train. So option C is the correct answer. Correct, 75 kilometer per hour is the correct answer, or speed of the train. Okay, next question is, a train moving with a speed of 60 km per hour passes through a 1.5 kilometer tunnel in 2 minutes. What is the length of train? Okay, the speed is given, which is 60 km per hour, passes through 1.5 kilometer long tunnel. So length of the tunnel, which is given 1.5 kilometer. Now it crosses in the 2 minutes. What is the length of train? So we have to find out the length of train. Now ST is equals to L. So basically L is the total length. In this case, the length of tunnel and length of train will be add. So S is the 60 kilometer per hour, and time duration is the 2 minutes. So we have to convert into the hour. So 2 divided by 16, minute into 2 divided by 60, that is in our hour form. Now L is the total length, so it will be L1 plus L2. Okay, so what is the L1? Basically L1 is the length of train. S is equals to 60 kilometer per hour. L1 is basically, we can assume X, which is the length of train, and the L2 is the 1.5 kilometer, 1.5 kilometer, which is the length of tunnel, length of tunnel, and the time duration is given, which is 2 minutes. So just convert into the hour. So divided by 60, it will be 2 divided by 60 hour. So just put down the value of T, which is 2 divided by 60 hour, and S is the 60 kilometer per hour. L1 is the X, and L2 is the 1.5 kilometer, which is the length of tunnel. Now we have to find out the value of X, which is the length of train, right? Now the 60 and 60 will be cancelled. It will be 2 is equals to X plus, so X is equals to 2 minus 1.5, it will be 0.5 kilometer. Okay, this is in the form of kilometer, but the options are available in the meter. So just multiply 1000, 1.5 into 1000, and it will be converted into meter. So it will be 500 meters. So answer is the option B. So basically the length of total length of train is the 500 meter. Okay, so always remember, if the asking any kind of length, then we have to add all the lengths, like length of tunnel or length of pole or okay, length of train and length of pole or length of tunnel, we have to sum all the lengths like this. AST is equals to L1 plus L2 plus L3 L4 like this. Okay. So in this case, L2 is the length of tunnel, L1 is the length of train. Okay, we have already done this type of question in last portion, like total average is equals to total distance divided by total time duration. This is also a similar kind of formula. AST is equals to total distance. Okay, another question. A 130-meter long train crosses a bridge in 30 seconds with a speed of 45 kilometer. Its length is. So basically, we have already the given portion is the 130-meter long train. So length of train is already given. So again, ST is equals to L1 plus L2. So S is the speed of train, that is 45 kilometer per hour. Okay, okay, L1, L2, and S. So L1 is the 130 meter, that is length of train. Now we have to find out the value of L1, that is the length of bridge. S is given, which is 45 kilometer per hour, and the options are available in the meter form. So just we have to convert it into meter per second. So 45 into meter per second, that means 5 divided by, multiply 5 divided by 18. So it will be again 25 divided by 2 meter per second. Okay. 9 2 ja 9 5 ja. So 25 divided by meter, 25 divided by 2 meter per second is the speed of train. So just put down 25 divided by 2 into, okay, time duration is the 30 second. So 30 is equals to L1 is the 130 meter, that is the length of train, and the L2 is X, which is basically length of bridge. So we have to find out the value of X. Okay, so X is equals to 25 divided by 2 into 30 and minus 130. Okay, 2 1 ja 2 15 1 5. So it will be 5, then 7 and 3. 375 minus 130, so equals to 245 meters, which is basically length of bridge. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, a 250-meter long train is running at a speed of 55 kilometer per hour. In what time will this train cross a 520-meter long platform? So basically, in this case, we have to calculate the length of platform. Okay, we have already known the length of train, which is the 250 meter, and the speed is the 55 kilometer. So speed is 55 kilometer per hour. And again, the options are available in the second. That means we have to convert this into the meter per second. So just multiply 55 into 5 divided by 18 meter per second. Okay. Now the second one is the L1, which is the length of train, that is given in 250 meter length of train. And the L2 is the 520 meter long platform. So length of platform is the 520 meter. Length of platform is the 520 meter. Now we have to calculate the time duration, time interval. So just use again ST is equals to L1 plus L2. Now in this case, the speed is 55 into 5 divided by 18 into T is equals to L1 is 250 meter length of train, and the length of platform is the 520 meter. Clear? So T is equals to 250 or कितना हो जाएगा 770 एंड डिवाइडेड बाई 55 into 5 multiply 18. Okay, 5 1 ja 5 1 25, so 5 and 20, so it will be 154. So 154 into 18 divided by 55. So just multiply 18 into 154. So 154, 18 for ja 72, 2 7. So 18 5 ja and 17, 18 1 ja, and it will be 27. So 2772 divided by 55. Okay, 2772 divided by 55. So it will be goes to 5 times 2, 75, 2 and 2. So 0 0 and point something 4. So 50.4 second is the correct answer. That is the time duration. So you can call it the 50.4 second. After 50.4 second, the train will cross the 520 meter platform, 520 meter long platform. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Okay, next type of question. A train with a speed of 40 km per hour crosses a man traveling in the same direction with a speed of 25 km per hour in 48 seconds. What will be the length of the train? Okay, so the speed of train is the 40 km per hour. Okay. And the speed of person is the 25 km per hour. And both are traveling in the same direction. Okay, 40 km per hour is the speed of train, and the speed of that person is the 25 km per hour. Okay, so always remember, in this case we have to find out the relative speed. Okay, so what will be the relative speed? Relative speed SR is equals to 40 minus 25. Okay, so I'll always use the minus sign to find out the relative speed if the direction is same. So in this case, the same direction, so that's why you have to use the minus sign. If there is the different direction or opposite direction, then you can use the positive sign to find out the relative speed. So always remember, if the direction are same, then we have to use the minus sign between these two speeds, and if there is the direction is the opposite, then we have to use the plus sign to find out the relative speed. So in this case, ओके ऑप्शन ए है क्या लास्ट में? ओके 50.4. okay, sorry, in last question the option A is the correct answer, that is 50.4 second, correct. Okay, now the relative speed will be 40 minus 25, it will be 15 km per hour. Okay, now the option are available in the meter form, then that's why we have to convert, and the time duration given time duration is the in second form. So that's why we have to convert the kilometer per hour into the meter per second. So just multiply 5 divided by 18 and it will be converted into meter per second. Okay, so it will be 75 divided by 18 meter per second. Okay, the time duration is given, which is the 48 seconds. Okay, now you can calculate the length of the train. Now S is the, or in this case we have to use the relative speed. So relative speed is the 75 divided by 18 meter per second, and the T is the time duration is the 48 second. Okay, is equals to length. So just solve this numbers and you can find out the total length of the train. So it will be 6 3 ja and 8 ja 3 1 ja 2 and 15, so 5. So it will be 25 into 8 and 25 into 8, so 8 5 ja 0 and 8 0 200. So 200 meter, 200 meter is the length of train. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, is it clear? So basically कोई भी ट्रेन अगर 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर से जा रहा है और एक पर्सन है जो 25 किलोमीटर पर आवर के स्पीड से सेम डायरेक्शन में चल रहे हैं, देन द ट्रेन विल क्रॉस दैट पर्सन in 48 seconds. So basically the total length of train is the 200 meter, which is crossed that person which is already in the speed of 25 kilometer per hour in 48 seconds. Now the next question is, a train 240 meter long takes 12 seconds to cross a man. Okay, a train 240 meter long takes 12 seconds to cross a man who is walking in the direction of the train at a speed of 24 kilometer per hour. What is the speed of the train? Again, the train is okay, we have to find out the speed of train. So basically this is the v kilometer per hour or x kilometer per hour, or you can assume any variable numbers. So t is the v kilometer per hour. This is the speed of train. Now the person walking with the speed of 24 kilometer per hour in the same direction. Now the relative speed will be, suppose this is the v kilometer per hour, so v minus 24 kilometer per hour, because there is the direction is the same, so that's why you have to use the minus sign, and it will be relative speed v minus 24 kilometer per hour, but the time duration is the in second form, so that's why you have to convert kilometer per hour into the meter per second. So just multiply 5 divided by 18 meter per second. Now the time duration is the 12 seconds. St is equals to length. Now s is the relative speed, so sr is equals to v minus 24 multiply 5 divided by 18, again multiply 12 seconds, that is the time interval, so 12 is equals to length of train is the 240 meter. Okay, so in this case we have to find out the value of v. So it will be 6 3 ja and 6 2 ja. So v minus 24 into 10 is equals to 240, and you can transfer this 3 in the right hand side, so multiply 3. Now 10v minus 240 is equals to 240 into 3, so 0 and 12, so 1 and 3 to just 720. So now 10v is equals to 720 minus 2 plus 240, so v is equals to 720 and 240. It will be 960 divided by 10, so 96 meter per second is the speed of train. So the option D is the correct answer. Okay, the options are available in the kilometer per hour na. Okay, but this is the 96 meter per second. So again we have to convert the meter per second to kilometer per hour, so just 96 into 18 divided by 5. And but basically there is the confusion, if the it may be the options are available in the meter per second, so logically this is not possible, the 96 kilometer per hour, so the options are available in this case, which is wrong. So just you can imagine the 96 meter per second, 102 kilometer per hour. So basically this is logically a wrong question, so just multiply the 96 into 18 divided by 5, so convert into the kilometer per hour. So ignore the options available in this case. Just multiply 96 into 18 divided by 5 kilometer per second and you can calculate the correct answer. ओके लॉजिक तो समझ में आ गया ना. लॉजिकली हमको क्या करना है, वी हैव टू बैलेंस द यूनिट्स, देन यू कैन कैलकुलेट द problems. So if there is the options available in the form of kilometer per hour, then just multiply 18 divided by 5 kilometer per hour.
To watch the complete video, download Mining Gyan 2.0 app from the Play Store and enjoy seamless learning with Mining Gyan 2.0.